If you're using Bet365, a VPN can be a useful way to protect your privacy, especially if you're betting over public Wi-Fi or simply don't want your internet activity visible to your internet service provider. The important thing to understand, though, is that a VPN isn't a way to bypass Bet365's location checks. Instead, the goal is keeping your connection secure, avoiding unnecessary disconnections, and reducing the chances of your real IP address being exposed if your VPN connection ever drops. So today, I'll explain how to use a VPN safely with Bet365, what features actually matter for avoiding leaks and connection issues, and then I'll share my 3 favorite VPNs for the job to help you decide which one best fits your needs. And just a reminder, I'll include links to the VPNs I mentioned in the description below. Now, the reason a VPN is useful here comes down to privacy and connection security. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through one of the provider's servers. That means anyone monitoring the network you're using can't easily see what you're doing online, and the websites you visit see the VPN server's IP address instead of your own. Before choosing a VPN, though, there are a couple of important limitations worth understanding. First, Bet365 uses geolocation technology that doesn't rely only on your IP address. It can also verify your location using signals such as GPS, nearby Wi-Fi networks, and in some cases cellular information from your device. So on its own, a VPN can't fake your location because it can't hide those device-level checks. Second, using a VPN to disguise your location would violate Bet365's terms of service. And if you're detected using the platform from a restricted location, your account could be suspended or closed. In my experience, the biggest problems usually happen during withdrawals. That's when additional identity and location checks often take place, and any mismatch between your account details and your verified location can result in funds being frozen while your account is reviewed. So the legitimate use case here is protecting your privacy and securing your connection while you're physically located somewhere. Bet365 already allows betting, not trying to make it appear that you're somewhere else. Now let's talk about avoiding disconnections and leaks, because that's where choosing the right VPN really matters. If your VPN disconnects in the middle of a betting session, even briefly, your real IP address can suddenly become visible. A sudden change like that isn't ideal when you're logged into a betting account. There are a few ways your real connection information can leak if your VPN isn't configured properly. The VPN connection itself can briefly disconnect, DNS requests can escape the encrypted tunnel, or your browser can reveal your real IP address through WebRTC. It's worth remembering that WebRTC is a browser feature rather than a VPN feature, so even an excellent VPN often benefits from using a browser extension that blocks WebRTC leaks. Ideally, you want a VPN with a reliable kill switch that immediately cuts your internet connection if the VPN drops, fast protocols that reconnect quickly, and built-in DNS leak protection. Something else that's worth considering is dedicated IP addresses. Bet365 can blacklist VPN IP addresses that have been heavily used by lots of different people. Shared VPN servers are naturally more likely to appear on those lists. A dedicated IP gives you an address that only you use, making your connection more consistent and potentially reducing the chances of running into blacklisted shared IPs. Before spending any money, though, it's worth asking whether you actually need a VPN. If you're betting from your own secure home network in a region where Bet365 is fully supported, you may not need one at all. I'd also avoid free VPNs for this purpose. Free services often come with limited bandwidth, slower speeds, overloaded servers, or stricter data caps, all of which increase the chances of connection drops, the exact thing you're trying to avoid. If you've decided a VPN makes sense for how you use Bet365, these are the 3 I'd recommend. First up is ExpressVPN, which is my top overall recommendation. ExpressVPN has more than 3,000 servers across 113 countries, making it easy to find a nearby server that delivers stable performance. That's important because a closer server usually means lower latency, better speeds, and a more reliable connection throughout your betting session. One feature I particularly like is ExpressVPN's lightweight protocol. In my testing, it does an excellent job maintaining connections when switching between different networks, such as moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data. If the connection does briefly drop, Lightweight reconnects extremely quickly, which helps reduce the chance of exposing your real IP address. ExpressVPN also enables obfuscation automatically whenever it's needed, so your VPN traffic blends in with regular encrypted internet traffic without requiring you to manually select special servers. From a privacy standpoint, ExpressVPN runs entirely on RAM-only trusted server technology, meaning no information is written to physical hard drives, and its no-logs policy has been verified through multiple independent audits. Its kill switch, called Network Lock, is one of the most reliable I've tested. ExpressVPN also offers a dedicated IP built using a zero-knowledge system, meaning even ExpressVPN can't associate that IP address with your identity. Just keep in mind, it supports between 10 to 14 device connections depending which plan you choose. Next, we have NordVPN. NordVPN has the largest network of the 3, with more than 9,400 servers across over 140 countries. Its NordLynx protocol consistently delivers excellent speeds while reconnecting very quickly if the connection is interrupted. NordVPN also includes 2 different kill switches, a system-wide kill switch and an app-level version, giving you a little more flexibility depending on how you want your device protected. If you're connecting from a network where VPN traffic may be more noticeable, Nord also includes obfuscated servers that disguise VPN traffic to look more like regular encrypted browsing. From a privacy perspective, NordVPN continues to perform well. Its no-logs policy policy has passed multiple independent Deloitte audits, confirming that it doesn't store records of your browsing activity. Nord also offers dedicated IP addresses. For Bet365 users, having your own dedicated IP can help provide a more consistent connection that's less likely to be affected by IP reputation issues on heavily used shared servers. In my own testing, NordVPN also retained excellent speeds while connected, making it another strong choice if connection stability is your main priority. Just remember that NordVPN's renewal pricing is noticeably higher than its introductory promotional pricing, so the longer subscriptions generally provide the best overall value. And finally, there's Surfshark, which is my budget recommendation. Surfshark operates over 4,500 servers across 100 countries and allows unlimited simultaneous device connections, so one subscription can cover every compatible device in your household. One feature that stands out is Everlink. Rather than simply dropping your VPN tunnel if something goes wrong, Everlink automatically works to rebuild the connection in the background, helping reduce interruptions. Surfshark also includes camouflage mode for obfuscation, a reliable kill switch, and an independently audited no-logs policy that has also been verified by Deloitte. It also includes an Android GPS override feature, although I haven't been able to verify how reliable that is, and because Bet365 performs multiple device-level location checks, I wouldn't rely on it for location verification anyway. Now, regardless of which VPN you choose, there are a few setup tips I'd recommend. Turn on the kill switch before doing anything else. Connect to a nearby server in your own country before opening Bet365. If you're betting through a browser, install a WebRTC blocking browser extension as an extra layer of protection. And if a particular server starts performing poorly, simply switch to another nearby server instead of trying to continue your session through an unstable connection. So ultimately, remember that no VPN can bypass Bet365's device-level location checks, and none of them make it safe to bet from a country or region where the service isn't legally available. But if your goal is protecting your privacy, preventing connection leaks, and keeping your betting sessions as stable as possible while you're already in a permitted location, ExpressVPN would be my top recommendation. If you want the largest server network, excellent speeds, and an affordable dedicated IP option, I'd choose NordVPN. And if you want unlimited devices while spending a little less, Surfshark would be the way to go. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, just a reminder, I'll leave links to all 3 VPNs down below, including links to the best deals and discounts I can find. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave those down in the comments below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.